вечер, дорогие друзья. Я рада сообщить, что пятница подходит к концу, и настроение у всех жителей поднимается. Отличный вечер, чтобы провести его в кругу семьи или друзей. Увы, если вы решили выбраться за город, на выезде из столицы вас ждет 13-километровая... Welcome to the traffic jam.
Yo, is she still here?
Yeah, she's still here.
I'm going in.
Oh, no, my brother. I'm going in. Go to lunch.
Yo!
Hey, baby, let me see it. I just wanna eat it. Baby, let me see it. Oh, I really need it. Oh, baby, let me see it. I just wanna eat it. Jalebi, I know the things that you like.
I'm leaving home for the coastline, someplace under the sun. I feel my heart for the first time, 'cause now I'm moving on, yeah, I'm moving on. And there's a place that I've dreamed of, where I can free my mind. I hear the sounds of the season and lose all sense of time. I'm moving far away to a sunny place where it's just you and me. Feels like we're in a dream. You know what I mean.
Palun autogrammi.
Ma ei taha!